Okay, I'm here near Peelhurst Hill in Golden Bay, and I can hear the train on the train line down below going into Perth from Mandurah, and it's been a lot of lightning activity in the last 15 minutes or so. I'm just going to keep the video on and see if I can catch a bit of the lightning activity. Seems to be over towards the Darling Scarp over there, past the train line. The road down there is the road that goes down to Mandurah, and also Paganoni Road intersects down there as well. So that's where I am, just waiting for a bit of lightning. And there's a bit of rain around too, so I might have to stop soon. Just waiting for some lightning. There we go, there's a bit. And another bit of lightning. Quite a bit of lightning activity over there. I'd say that's probably a fair way away. The sound of the thunder is taking a long time to come, so don't think it's close at the moment. I'd say it's probably a few kilometres away, maybe 5 to 10 kilometres away or more. There's definitely a fair bit over there. There's the thunder. So that was about maybe 10 to 20 seconds. So each second is worth 300 metres a second. So if it was 20 seconds, then it'd be 20 times 300 metres. So that's about 7 kilometres away, roughly. If my calculations were correct, which they might not be, and I don't think I counted it very precisely. See if I can get one more bit. Come on, lightning, get the striking going. I saw a really good strike a little while ago, quite a big white line across the sky. But unfortunately, didn't get it on video. Just sprinkling of rain at the moment, nothing too major, but if it gets heavy, then I'll have to stop. Now my arm's getting tired. See the lights from the road down there. Main road that goes to Mandurah. Yeah, just near Paganoni Road's pretty close to those lights. There's a strike there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it must be too far away to hear the thunder. Alright, that's enough of that for now.